Hi, this is Wondershare Filmora Go. We are here to help create your videos anywhere on the go. Today, we're going to talk about how to convert videos for TikTok on your phone. Suppose you created a video for YouTube and now want to post it on TikTok also. To do so, open the FilmoraGo app and start a new project. Now import the video on which you want to create for TikTok. First, we need to change the aspect ratio of the project. To do so, slide the bottom menu to the left and tap the canvas option. Then tap Format and choose the aspect ratio 9:16. Now you have two options. Either you can add background to your video or resize your video to fit the TikTok aspect ratio. To add a background to your video, tap Background. Here you can add a blur background by tapping Blur, or a solid color background from the color option. Or you can add any image or video of your choice from the album as a background. And if you want to resize your video to fit the TikTok aspect ratio, tap on the video layer in the timeline. Now add a keyframe at the start of your video by pressing the diamond icon and adjust the size and position of your video. Now you see how it converted from a wide horizontal video to a vertical video. Now play the video, and if you feel like your main object is missing out of the frame, then adjust the position of your video. Once done, preview your video and export it. So this was it for today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below or stay tuned by subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video.